Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing from my Magical Lands album coming up. It's not available yet when this video goes live, but there is a link in the description of this video that'll take you to my shop where it will be available once we're finished putting all the kits together. But in the meantime, check out all my other fun projects that I have. I do page kits and album kits. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to glue everything to the black page. I'm going to start with the largest piece. I'm going to be using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear Liquid Glue with the fine metal tip. And it does dry quickly, and since this is a large piece, I got to work kind of fast to go around. I'm holding it in the air, and I'm thinking it might have been easier if I just laid it down. We'll see. Maybe I'll be able to do it. The letters are nice and thick. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Okay. See if I can get this in the right place. So there's an 1/8 of an inch border about, maybe it's a little smaller than an 1/8. I think it's an 1/8, but anyway, there's a border of black around. So just make sure you center it, look all around the edges. And I just like to use my pin and go in and pick up the excess glue. Okay, now the dot for the eye. Just gonna stick a little dab of glue there. Pick this up. Okay, and then you don't want to go ahead and do the small words because I've got a little teeny tiny apostrophe here. Okay, let me try to get that apostrophe in. It is so tiny. A little dot there. This is crazy. Come on. There. There it is. Okay. A. Okay. There's that. Can you see that? Is it focusing? I think. Okay, and the last piece. and done. Thank you so much for watching and for staying to the end. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram for updates on upcoming projects that go up before my YouTube videos do. So definitely follow me there. And also don't forget to check out my Etsy shop. Thank you so much and have a great day.